Yo, have you heard about the Wholesale to Millions program, which is owned by King Khang? And this is a program that promised to make you a millionaire through real estate. You can see it says change your life with real estate. Presently, as at the time of creating this guy's 2024, so it says 2024 recession into your greatest return on investment. Click the apply button below to get started. Okay, so as you can see right here, it says apply now, and here is King Khang, and this man, it looks like an Asian. Okay, he's an Asian, but I'm certain that he has also been in the states, and he's been able to get fluent in English. And this man has been in the real estate industry for a while. As you can see, it says start your real estate journey, mentorship, and demand learning, free resource. You can book consultation and all that, like that. All right. So Kanga is truly a real estate investor, and he has been in the sector for several years. Okay, whereby he has been impacting people and a whole lot of stuff. So you can see it says Kang was born and raised in Vietnam, and he came to America at the age of 9. And so that way, I don't want to talk much about all that, but you can see it says he dropped out of high school at the age of 17. I really don't know why most of those guys do claim the aspect of dropping out of high school. I think maybe it's one of a good selling method, or possibly they really dropped out of high school. But most of those guys, all these online gurus and all that, they do claim they drop out of high school. But however, it's fine. And it says at the age of 18, he met Lone, who is now his wife, and together they moved into a little shed behind the mobile house park and blah blah blah. And he first worked at a factory and all that before he, you know, closed his first deal in real estate and all that. So the thing I just know is that Kanga's been in the real estate since for a while, and he has been doing great in this niche. Okay, so here are some success stories. Other success stories just to get you to, you know, purchase their program. But however, this man is a real deal. He's good in cold calling. Okay, whereby I cold call people to purchase house. Okay, so and he has hundreds of thousands of subscribers on YouTube. Okay, he has a YouTube channel where he gives value regarding real estate. So that was when I got to know him, whereby I stumbled on one of his video, and I saw some of his real estate videos whereby he's giving value regarding real estate. So I think that's a good one from him. All right, so this is just the web page. As you can see right here, there are a whole lot of stuff here, but this is just a web page. Get mentored by Kang, make 2024 your best year, and all that, like that. Okay, so we also have some success stories right there and all that. I'm certain that you might have already viewed this page. Okay, so I wouldn't want to spend much time here. Now let's check the pricing. Okay, because right there, if you book a call here, and as you can see, it says apply now. So if you go ahead, click on apply now, sometimes it might redirect you to booking a call. Okay, but let me just go to a page which shows some of the pricing of this program. So you can see right there, wholesale to millions. Okay, if you scroll down, you can see wholesale to millions courses. You can see King Khang's amazing seller script. So it's cost $495. That is for the script. Okay, and the next one is the step-by-step guide. That one is 490. Oh, sorry, the amazing seller script is $495. Okay, then the step-by-step guide is $497. I think both is still around $500. And you can see combo package $897, and that's like $900, and the playbook, which is $1997, which is roughly $2,000. So these are the resources that is selling. Okay, and if you ask me, okay, Maverick, how legitimate is all these? Well, King Khan has been in the real estate industry for a long while. Okay, so that is kind for you. And what I would just say is that in case you've been part of those who have possibly watched a lot of his videos, then you will know that some of these things here he has already mentioned them in his videos. Okay, so it is not new, and he's kind of a public figure in the real estate niche though. All right, but just from my research, I've been able to see some people say, okay, he's a real deal or he's not a real deal. Okay, so now let me just give you my honest thoughts regarding King Kang, and possibly you can use this thoughts to make the best decision online. Okay, I mean, before you even go ahead to purchase anything from Kang. Okay, now the first thing is that Kang is a reputable figure. Just like I said, he's reputable in the real estate niche. So if you're learning from him, if you're a beginner, you need to know that you're learning from someone who knows what he's talking about. But now, I've not said maybe you guarantee to make results. Okay, but that's the first thing. And the second thing is that this program is high ticket. It's very expensive, although the script is worth buying. Okay, I went online, I made research, And from people who have been able to give me, their honest thought, they have told me that the script is worth it. Okay. From my research, from people I've asked, they said, "Oh, Maverick, the script is worth it because with the script, it makes it easy for you to pitch people." Okay. It makes it easy for you to pitch people. Now, remember, I'm not an affiliate for this program. Okay. This is just me giving you my honest review from my research. Okay. That is what I do on this channel. From my research, I've been able to see that the script is worth it, but the cost is kind of high ticket, and the cost, there is no guarantee that you can get results with the cost. All right. And the strategy is involving code pitching. Now, what you need to know about code pitching is that code pitching refers to you pitching people who do not know about you, maybe possibly going online to get phone numbers. Okay. And you start calling people or emails, and you start code emailing people. Now, you might get people that's like, a lot of people are going to turn you down. Okay. And aside that, some people are kind of savage, whereby the way they will react to you because they do not know you can make you want to give up. Okay. So if you're not even good in, networking, prospecting, getting people to like what you're saying, if you're not this kind of person that can talk a lot, then you're really going to have a little bit of hard time with this man's strategy. Okay. You're going to have a little bit of hard time with the strategy, because the strategy revolves around, you cajoling people, just like you're doing networking, network marketing, whereby you bring in people and all that. So if you're another kind of person, then you're really gonna have a hard time doing this. All right. Also, getting started with real estate through him gives you chance of networking with him, though, because if you are able to get access to him or any of his script or whatever, I can say you should go for the script because the script is okay. Okay. But even the script is only for those who can really network. Okay. So in case you're not good in networking or code calling and code pitching, it's still gonna be difficult for you. Okay. So, but however, if you buy any of his program, possibly you're able to get in touch to his inner circle. All right. Now, it is not bad for someone who is into the real estate space and want to learn more. Possibly maybe you're into the real estate space and you possibly just want to learn more in real estate. This is not bad. Okay. You can learn from, King Khan. He's repeatable. Okay. You can learn from him. But if you're a beginner, I would suggest you still go to his YouTube channel to learn from, some of his videos. Okay. Get started with his free courses, because even most of the things that they are selling, that he is selling, I've been able to see some, almost everything on his YouTube channel. Okay. Even he's talked about some scripts on his channel already. So possibly some of these things you're gonna get it on his channel. But if you are already into the real estate niche, you just want to boost more in your knowledge, then it is not bad giving him a try. Okay. So just like I said, if you're a newbie or beginner, I would suggest go to his channel, learn from his free resources, or you can go online. If not only his channel, there are also several other real estate scholars out there that they can enlighten you on some stuff that you need to know on YouTube. There are a lot of information on YouTube. What can change your life is on YouTube, but the only thing is just getting the right one. Okay, so you can go on YouTube, get your fingers dirty. Look for free resources. Okay, that can boost you, and from there you can easily scale through. All right. So that is what I have for you in today's video. I'm certain that this review has been able to possibly help you out to make the best decision when it comes to you purchasing the Wholesale to Millions course by King Khang. Okay, and who is a public figure in the real estate industry. However, I'm gonna suggest that if you are the kind of person that you are interested in real estate, and because one thing you need to know is that every business, you need people, you need to be able to connect to people. All right. So possibly if you know that you can do this, okay, I will suggest you leverage YouTube. Okay. This is just me giving you free information. Okay. You can use YouTube to also, start doing real estate. Okay. So a lot of these guys also, they give value on YouTube and they get a lot of, deals, okay, from YouTube. Okay. There are a lot of people that have been able to connect to Kang on YouTube, and he has been able to sell a lot of properties through YouTube. You can also do this even without you needing to show your face or using your voice. Okay. I don't do real estate, but I have several other channels that I run without even showing my face and using my voice. Okay. So you can also use YouTube to, start getting results from real estate. And what you can do is that you can create short videos on YouTube. Okay. Like using YouTube Shorts. And once you create this video, you can have, maybe you have a property that you want to sell. You can convert them to short videos. And when you convert it to short videos, you can upload them. And by the time it goes viral, you can sell those videos. Okay. You can also add voiceover to read, and you can also use some, non-copyrighted images or videos to do this. And in case you find this difficult, you can use a tool called Jet. Okay, Jet can help you to create this kind of videos, and that is what I use for my other YouTube channels, and it has been helping me to scale through and not having to spend expensive money on freelancers. And with the use of Jet, life becomes more easier for you, and even a newbie or a non-techie person can use Jet. If you want to try Jet today, it's just a one-time fee of a burger. Okay, it is not all this monthly AI. It's an AI artificial intelligence tool, but it's just one-time fee for the price of a burger that you can get. You can click the link in the video description or check the screen, it's gonna be there. You can copy paste it in your browser and you can go straight to get Jet. Okay, now Jet is a good tool that you can use to create videos like this, and you can use it to get people that can buy your property. Okay, so all you just need to do is to add your number to the video, show them, and you can make sales through the use of YouTube Short. You can even upload this video created by Jet. You can upload them on TikTok, okay, or Instagram Reels. Okay, and the fun thing about Jet is that it's not only going to create a video for you to create the description, okay, the title, it's also going to help you create the thumbnail, okay, for you. And also it has a landing page or a sales page template where you can also generate link, okay, where you can post the picture of the property you want to sell, give a lot of description. It's going to do everything for you. So it's going to give you a link to generate for the house which you want to sell. It's going to give you video, the description, the thumbnail, the graphics, everything for you. And it's just a lifesaver for a whole lot of people. Okay, and thousands of people are already using this tool to get results, promote their business, and make money online. You can even use Jet to create videos for other people and keep your money. Okay, so if you want to try Jet, click the link in the video description or check the screen. It's gonna be there, and Jet will help you to get maximum results and customers from real estate. I believe this video has been helpful. If it is, kindly make sure that you hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I drop new review videos like this. Peace and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.